So we're doing a kind of a simple meal tonight. Bang bang shrimp with the egg fried rice. But we're about to head out, do a little grocery shopping, cop a few items. So yeah, come on this tour. Very important. Green onions, we need that. Alright, so we're gonna do a pound of shrimp. Can I get a pound of that? That's very kind of you, yeah, a pound. A pound of shrimp. Very important product. Two of the other products we're gonna be using is a sweet chili sauce. It's a good one here, but I like this one, so we're gonna rock out with this. We also need sriracha. Sriracha is an important ingredient, so yeah. So usually I would do rice, but we already got the rice, so we're not gonna do that today. Mayo is needed for this recipe, but we got that too, so we're gonna cut that off the list. So we got the ingredients laid out here. We got the shrimp sitting in some water with our lime juice, getting cleaned up. We got some rice. We're gonna get that cleaned in a bit. You gotta always make sure you clean your rice, man. Always. The salt and pepper. As I said earlier, we got the sweet chili sauce, a little sriracha, batter the shrimp with our cornstarch instead of flour, and some good mayo, and of course the eggs, because we're doing egg fried rice. And you know you gotta top that off with a little bit of, you gotta garnish it with a little bit of green onion. So yeah, we're gonna get things started. So I have this crab seasoning. I'll put a little bit of that on, because obviously we make it seafood, so why not? It has a little bit of everything in it that I would use. You don't want to put too much, but I'm gonna get it right. I'm not gonna put too much salt. Just a dab of salt and a little bit of black pepper. A little bit more, because we got some shrimp at the bottom. Seasoning is doing me filthy. Yeah, we're gonna mix that up. Probably do a little more. It look a little dry. Boom, perfect. Not too much, not too little. Alright, so we're gonna put down some cornstarch now. We're just gonna pop the cornstarch in and mix it up. Get that all battered. So you got some well battered shrimp and cornstarch. We're gonna heat up some oil on the stove. Pop them in there. Get it right. So you always gotta make sure you wash your rice. It's very important. Just put in some, water. Wash it out a couple times. Not gonna do too much. You do that about 3 times. Make sure the water's not white. As long as the water's not white, you got clean rice. Alright. So, we got some oil in the pot. Check it out. Some oil in the pot, heating up. We're gonna pop the shrimps in it a little bit. I really hate cooking rice, I ain't gonna lie to you. So I went, I got a nice little rice cooker. Cooking that up for me, you know what I mean? Rice ain't the easiest thing to make in the world. It might look like the simplest shit, but it's not. So we're gonna let that do its job. Be back. My fault. Be back. We gonna pop the shrimps in the oil now. Leave these bad boys in for a minute or so. Shrimp cook really quick, so I'm gonna do a few for now. Let that do its thing real quick. Pop the rest in. And then you're gonna get the whipping and salt. So stay tuned. Gotta make sure you stay with me, man. Keep telling y'all. I need y'all to stay with me, tune in. Tell your friends to tune in. Tell your mama to tune in. Tell your sister, brother, cousin, all of them. I need more. You know what I mean? Because we got some official shit. I'm teaching a little bit. It's only right. Alright, so the shrimps are about done. Some people like them a little darker, but I don't really like them overcooked like that, so I'm gonna keep them right here. We're gonna go ahead and pop those to the side, cook the rest of them, and then we'll go ahead to making the sauce. We back, you know what I mean? We're gonna pour a little bit of olive oil in the pot. just to get things going. You know, we got the eggs. We gonna whip a couple eggs up. We gonna crack them bad boys up. You know what I mean? We gonna go 2 eggs today, cause we're not gonna cook too much, right? Crack those up, whip them up. The oil is still heating up, so we're gonna let that heat up for a little bit. And get the whole pot. You see the wrist work though? I should have been in the kitchen as a youngin', I know. Yeah, we're gonna do that. We're gonna get the rice popped in, but as we're doing that, we're gonna go ahead and make the sauce. So the sauce required 3 ingredients. We got the sweet chili sauce, the hot Siracha, chili Siracha sauce, and a little mayo. Some mayo, a little mayo into a bowl. You know how it go. We got a good bit of shrimp, so we're gonna try to make a good bit of sauce. You know I'm messy, I told y'all. So we're gonna put some sweet chili sauce. It's only right. And when making this, you can pretty much adjust it to however you like it. Cause some people like it with a lot of mayo and all of that. I'm not really into that. I like the sweet hot flavor. So we're gonna put a good bit of that. Mix it up. And I go by the color. You know, if it's if it look a little too white, we gonna add a little more. Cause that means it's a lot of mayo in there. But yeah, like that right there, it's a little too white. So we gonna add a little bit more sweet chili sauce. Add some more sweet chili. You know, top it off with a little bit of sriracha. There we go. Boom. Alright, so that's about the consistency I like. The color I like. So we gonna make sure, you know, you gotta taste that thing. As you can see, I like my sauce like really flavorful. I don't like that mayo taste. Not too much of it, you know, it's creamy. That look about how I usually do. There we go, baby. Good sriracha. It's about perfect. Tastes good. It's about where you want it at, you know. Yeah, so let's get to it. So we got the oil heated up. We're gonna add the eggs in. So we cooking the eggs, but we gonna add the rice, and you don't want to season it until the rice is in the pot because you don't want to, you know, have to do 2 at the same time. So we gonna add the rice in a second. So we gonna get to all that. So we gonna add the rice in. And at this point, it's a good point to season it if you want to season it up. So we're gonna add some salt, some pepper and some salt. Not too much salt, because we got the soy sauce still coming. Alright, so you can go ahead and add the soy sauce in there. Alright, so we're gonna wash the onions real quick. I have to throw that away real quick. I don't like to do the first. We're gonna cut up some cilantro. Or green onions, whatever you call it. This is to garnish the food and give it a little flavor. So the rice all cooked up, ready to go. Boom. It tastes just as good as it looks, trust me. Mix that up. You would have thought I was born in China. fried rice is about cooked up, ready to go. So we're gonna go ahead and pop the shrimps, get them dipped into the special sauce that we got mixed up. The bang bang joints, you know. But we're gonna mix that up. Check me out though. Check me out. Hold up. We not done. Hold up. It's only right. Stay right there. It tastes just as good as it looks, trust me. But stay right there. We not done. We not done. It's only right. Yes, sir. Bring it out, baby. Like I always tell you, man. I like doing my thing in here. We got a complete meal. Fried rice with the bang bang shrimp. I mean, there's nothing like it. I know. It looks good, tastes good. It's everything you ever wanted. So if you want to learn, just make sure you follow. Because you at least got to try it, you know what I mean? Nice glass of wine, little fried rice, little sriracha. Can't beat it. So yeah, stay tuned. We got a lot more coming. It don't stop here. We got a lot more coming. Alright, so we're gonna saute the broccoli in a little special sauce I put together. So we're gonna put a little bit of garlic in there, let that cook up for a little bit, and then we're gonna add some. Alright, so we're gonna add a little bit of all-purpose, a little Goya, a little adobo. I said Goya adobo. You know how it go. We're gonna add a little bit of soy, not too much. You don't want to overdo it. You want to turn it down a bit. I don't want that to burn. Go ahead and add a little pepper, a little black pepper to it. Just a little bit of sugar, not too much. A bit more butter. Just gonna add a bit more soy sauce to it, because you need a bit more soy sauce. You got a little sauce to get the broccoli mixed up in, and the broccoli, toss it up, get it mixed up, get the broccoli mixed in, just to make sure we get the flavors, you know, entwined with that. Good eats, nothing but that. You know what I mean? Nothing but good eats. That's what we do. Yo in the kitchen. The sauce is actually perfect, so we're gonna keep it like that. All set. We're gonna set it up. Alright, so we serving the broccoli. We already got the rice, you know, served out. We're gonna serve a little broccoli. And now for the best part, you know, it's only right. Sriracha, bang bang, shrimp. Oh my God! Won't you look at that? Talking about a complete plate. We got the fried rice, steamed broccoli with a little garlic sauce on it, you know, and the finishing touch, the bang bang shrimp. Yes, sir. That's what I'm talking about.